Howdy, YouTube family. This is for your friendly handyman. I got a video for you. Like and subscribe, and I can give you more videos like this. This is how to upgrade your cabinets to the old handle to new handles like that. Very simple. I could teach you. I'll show you. It's easy upgrade. You can get those from Amazon, made by Ravenit Cabinet and Hardware. Comes a box like that with the screws and all. So I'll show you real quick. Okay. Turn my camera around. You open this. This is a flat head, so I'm going to unscrew it. Get it started. Unscrew it, unscrew it. Take these off just like this. This is an older house, so they have flat heads. Very simple fix, so you can upgrade it. It's so easy. Don't overthink it. Think you can't do it. You can do it. It'll make your cabinet pop. Got it off, and then see the holes right there, and then these are the screws to it. So you just stick them through the hole that they're already there from the old screws. Put it through. Easy money. I use my drill to make it faster. Easy money. And your cabinet. See how nice that is? Once you get some wood cleaner, Old English or whatever you're choosing, get all that. So much easier to open now. I already did all those right there. See how good that looks. Once you clean it up, it's gonna look really nice. And for you ladies that use it a lot, you just grab it, pull it. I gotta put one more right there, so you can do it. It's very easy fix. If you like videos like this, like and subscribe. You're from your friendly handyman, and I'll be teaching you other tips how to fix things around your house. Or you guys want to get into apartment maintenance, this is the kind of things you'll be doing. Sometimes you always don't have new apartments, so you'll be upgrading stuff like this. Make for the next person that moves in here. Very nice. This is a guy I work with on my time off from work. Yeah, like we put the baseboard. Very nice. Yeah. They even got the old heater furnace. He's got it. He's got a good. There's an old house, as you can see. They got the old towel. Look at that sink. Very old. Maybe from the 60s. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. Very nice. We're gonna put some closet doors there. Got some blinds. They do up. We put some new ceiling fans. He likes a 6-panel doors instead of the flat ones. You see, we did all that. Put trim. We still gotta put the top part on. I'll be showing you a little. Follow me on my journey of apartment maintenance and handyman work. If you like videos like this, like and subscribe. Thank you.